Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to choose a website theme in Odoo. So choosing a website theme in this platform is simple because Odoo includes a visual website builder with customizable themes. So actually guys, first we'll need just open the website app, and to do that we'll need to stay here on the dashboard and just go and click on the apps option. So that's one. And here you will need just go and look for the website using search bar, or you can just look for it manually. Okay, so it's that option on the left here. Okay, so actually you can just type website, hit enter on your keyboard, and that's it. So install it if not yet. And now guys, you will need to open the theme settings, and to do that you will need just to go back here, and then you will find the model just right here. So the website, go and click it, and then go and click on edit, the option that you can find the top right corner here. So you will see the website builder sidebar, and editor sidebar, you can customize the fonts, colors, header styles, buttons, layout, spacing, animations, shop layout, texts, etc. Okay, even you can add images, videos, icons, etc. So these settings instantly update the preview. So to browse additional themes, you will need to go to the website. So that one. So theme, yeah, and then go with switch theme. So second option, right? And then go with OK to confirm. And here where you can set up or to use another theme by your choice. So you will find themes like theme clean, tech, fashion, bistro. So many are free while others are premium in the official theme marketplace. Okay, so that's one. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.